In recent years, Lemken has invested more than 25 million euros in new construction and expansion of its 3 production sites in Alpen, Föhren and Meppen. For Lemken, investment means shaping the future and assuming responsibility for each and every employee. Lemken investments help to strengthen an industry that contributes to securing the basic nutrition of humanity. The resulting innovation increases the economic potential and satisfaction of farmers and contractors. It all begins with the quality of the material. Lemken knows what to look for. Quality steels are matched to the parts and components made from them. They are always subject to a series of quality checks that start at acquisition. Here, our buyers focus on highly alloyed steels from German and Western European production facilities. Just as important is the inspection of incoming material. Clearance is only given if the chemical composition of the steel meets Lemken's high standards. This means only premium quality raw materials enter the production cycle. Lemken is unmatched in vertical integration and makes no compromises whatsoever. Only when every component is perfect can a superior machine be built. That's why Lemken takes extra care in the production of individual parts. This allows the farmer to put full confidence in the machines made by Lemken. Heating, shaping, cooling. 3 processes constantly being perfected that turn raw components into a high-performance product. Today, hardening technology at Lemken has reached a level otherwise found only in automobile manufacturing. Lemken's new hardening and forming plant works with internally cooled tooling. During press hardening, parts are cooled uniformly while under pressure. This results in parts that combine extreme hardness with maximum elasticity. Impossible, but true. At the bonding station, quick change carriers are permanently bonded to Duramax plow bodies. Since this eliminates drilling into the body, Duramax parts can be made of harder grade steel. The farmer thus profits from incomparably long-lasting parts and shorter setup times. Elsewhere, a grinder robot planes the surfaces of the plow mold boards. The grinding direction matches the flow direction of the soil, making the parts extremely easy to pull in the field. Readily equipped tools significantly shorten the setup times of the CNC milling machines. During boring, spindle machining and turning of the hardened sub-assemblies, precision to the 1,000th of a millimeter isn't the only factor. Quality inspection during processing is most important. At Lemken, qualified training is an established part of corporate culture. Most of the roughly 60 apprentices are trained to become industrial mechanics, machinists, or mechatronics engineers. From the start of training, they are integrated into the production process. Practical involvement is also emphasized in the areas of office and industrial management. For those wishing to stay on at Lemken after training, chances are good they can begin their careers with the company. Long bed drilling centers and robot-driven welding systems deliver unsurpassed precision and consistent workmanship, while providing employees with working conditions of the highest safety. Lemken's new cathodic dip painting facility is oriented to the high standards of the automotive industry. In the dip tank, individual parts are coated with particles of blue acrylic paint. The paint covers evenly and fully, reaching deep down into the pores. The dip tank even has enough space for a 6-meter-long frame. The production chain was completely overhauled to account for this new painting technology. Now individual Lemken machine parts are painted prior to assembly. It used to be the other way around. The electrochemical processes of the cathodic dip painting plant conform to the latest ecological standards. Qualified staff continuously monitors the process parameters of the various degreasing, rinsing, and phosphating tanks, because long-lasting protection against corrosion is the goal. Drying is carried out in the continuous furnace. Treatment at temperatures of up to 175 degrees Celsius gives the paint its extraordinary hardness and high UV resistance. The thermal energy is recycled through a unique energy recovery system. In addition to the painting facility, we've also invested in an innovative heat recovery system that is unequaled in the industry. Excess cooling or thermal energy from the different production plants is fed into an energy cycle via underground reservoirs. The stored cooling energy and heat is extracted again when needed in the hardening and painting plants. Depending on the season, workshops and other buildings are also heated or cooled using energy from the heat recovery system. Just as with a living organism, all process steps are energetically connected with one another. A technologically sophisticated energy, environment, and climate strategy shows that Lemken is looking responsibly toward the future. Another new feature at Lemken is the line production of its plows. Pre-assembled subunits can now be integrated more quickly, helping to reduce processing times. A production process between high-tech and handicraft. This is clear in the making of plows as well as power harrows. High-grade materials, precision workmanship, and painstaking assembly. This guarantees low-wear operation of the harrows. Each OptiDisc coulter is assembled from 50 individual parts. A 6-meter wide seed drill with 48 double-disc coulters illustrates just how much manpower Lemken puts into its machines. 2010 saw the opening of Lemken's newest production site in Furen in the southern Eifel region. Here is where the Sirius line of field sprayers is manufactured. An air of optimism about the future is felt everywhere. Even though this product segment is still relatively new for Lemken, farmers are already profiting from the quality Lemken is known for. Lemken also invests in the future, because investments define the high standard of the production sites. And for Lemken, always represent a decisive vote for employees, the environment, and farmers.